Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that. And the article we're going to get into here real quick says, Earthquakes in Idaho trigger fears of a Yellowstone supervolcano eruption. It says a recent series of earthquakes rocked southeast Idaho and northern Utah beginning around 6 p.m. local time. 33 tremors were recorded in a 6-hour period, with the largest measuring a magnitude 5.3. And just a quick update to that, there has been, I believe, over 60 tremors now, and 54 of them have been relatively large tremors. I believe of at least 4, a magnitude 4, or at least around there. I know a large number of them were very large tremors. So it goes on to say the most powerful earthquake occurred roughly 10 miles east of Soda Springs, Idaho. Multiple aftershocks measuring between 3.1 and 4.1 were subsequently felt in the surrounding area, including as far away as Ogden, Utah. Local officials say a series of earthquakes in Idaho this close together is exceptional for the area. I've never seen anything like this, said Bannock County Sheriff Lauren Nielsen, per a report from the Idaho State Journal. My wife asked if we should leave the house. The University of Utah seismic stations recorded the last of many earthquakes in Idaho just before 12 a.m. Sunday. There have not been any reports of injuries or substantial damage, but some seismologists speculate there could be more tremors on the way, and there have been. Soda Springs is less than 170 miles from Yellowstone National Park, and Saturday's seismic activity in Idaho has some wondering if it is related to the swarm of earthquakes reported near the Yellowstone supervolcano. In the last 3 months, seismologists have recorded more than 1,500 quakes in the region, and to date, though, for the year, I believe it is up over 2,300 earthquakes, which is a record for Yellowstone. It's already at 2,300 quakes, I believe. So, it says deep below Yellowstone is an enormous ancient volcano measuring 50 miles long and 12 miles wide. It is considered one of the largest volcanoes on Earth. While it has been over 600,000 years since the last eruption, some seismologists are concerned that the recent swarm of earthquakes may be sending warning signs the supervolcano is ready to explode again. Should the Yellowstone supervolcano erupt, thousands of people would die instantly from the explosion. It is widely believed that the gas and ash generated from the blast would block light and heat from the sun for decades, creating a nuclear winter that would threaten the survival of all life on the planet. Despite fears of a supervolcano eruption, the number of earthquakes surrounding Yellowstone is not necessarily unusual. Every year, anywhere between 1,000 and 3,000 tremors are recorded in the area, many of which are too weak to even feel. So the earthquakes in Idaho may be just part of the average, despite of the fears of local scientists and residents. But you see, that's where it doesn't fall into just the average, because year to date they're already at 2,300. And we have a few more months to go, so we'll see. But I think that's going to do it for this video. I just want to give you a quick update. What do you think? Is it related? Is it possibly related? Who knows? I mean, there's no way to truly predict these things. When Yellowstone goes, it goes. But I still wanted to share it, just in case, for whatever reason something was to. I just want to get your guys' opinion on it anyways, and see, do you think it's related? Do you actually think that Yellowstone's going to erupt anytime in our lifetime? Um, but yeah, that's going to be about it. I do appreciate every single one of you. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.